Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to combine and merge PDF files. Let's get right into it. Here are the PDFs I want to merge. I have 3 different files, but you can have more or less. Let's get started. First, open up a web browser. We can do this online and I'll show you exactly how. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you like. Next, go to a search engine. I'm using Google, but any search engine will work. Search for Combine PDF. There are many tools and websites that allow you to combine PDFs, but I prefer using combinepdf.com. Let's go to that site. At the top, you'll see that you can select up to 20 PDF files to combine, which is really useful. Click on Upload Files, and your File Explorer will open. Find your files. Select all the files you want to combine by holding the Control key and clicking on each one. Then click Open. You can also upload more files by pressing Upload Files again. Here are the files. Make sure they're in the correct order. To change the order, hover your cursor over a file until it changes to a 4-arrow cursor, then click and drag to rearrange. I want mine in the order of Part 1, Part 2, and then Part 3. Once they're in the correct order, click on Combine at the bottom. It will take a moment to process and automatically download the combined file. You'll see the file named Combine PDF in the top right corner. You can also find it in your File Explorer in the Downloads folder. Double-click the file to open it, and you'll see that the individual PDFs are now combined into one document. It's that easy. If you found this guide useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks.